thing about being able to start the week and end the week with a nice forecast.
Right.
It helps. Just keeps the momentum going, right?
Yeah,
It's
been good. And even like a day like yesterday, we had a couple thunderstorms, but it was fine.
Fine.
You know,
right. The day was okay.
This looks even better. The weekend, as we talked about, is looking good. Today, we got into the low 80s. It did a little better than forecast in quite a few spots. It's okay, though. 83 in Portland, 84 in Sanford, 83 in Wiscasset. Our average high is 80. Just about on the decline here. We reached the statistical peak of our temperature profile for the year a couple of days ago, and now we're just going down by tiny little increments every day. Current dew points in the 50s, so not crisp necessarily, but comfortable, right? That's where we're going to live tomorrow in the first half of the day on Sunday, and then we'll start to see those dew points creep back up, and you'll really notice it by early next week. Satellite looks good. Without looking at the wind chart, you could probably guess where the wind direction is blowing from. Northwest to southeast, see those cumulus clouds just drifting, but then drying up as they get towards the coastline. That's the hallmark of a northwest downsloping wind direction. The rest of today looks good. Tonight is quiet, temperatures in the 60s, eventually the 50s briefly, especially into the mountains. Tomorrow's a lot like today, I think, minus the winds, which we did have some gusty winds at times today, but otherwise it's very similar, 80 to 85 degrees. Maybe the interior is just a tiny bit warmer tomorrow than it was today. And then I think I like Saturday better than Sunday, but I love both days overall. I just think Sunday along the coast, see this right here? These little tiny green splotches. That's this model trying to tell us there's going to be some fog out there. So there could be some into the mid-coast and down East Maine on Sunday morning, in addition to a slightly stronger onshore flow and sea breeze situation. Means that to me along the coast, I think probably Saturday is the better of the 2 weekend days. If you're inland, both days are almost exactly the same. They're in the mid 80s and there's a lot of sunshine. So either way, we're being nitpicky here, but got to do something because otherwise the forecast is pretty straightforward straight through the weekend. Now we get a little bit cloudier and there's a chance of showers on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But it doesn't look wet to me. We've got this funky little small scale low spinning around, some moisture to our west, gives us more clouds Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and some isolated pop-up showers and storms in the afternoon. But I think these days are not really very wet. Most of the day ends up being dry, and temperatures are about 80 to 85 still. Humidity creeping back up there to around 70 or so. So we've seen this a lot last summer, right? We've got a lot of wildfires across Western Canada. A few of those will drift their smoke in our direction. The models had some in here today. I didn't notice a whole lot, guys, but the models put another kind of maximum of smoke over us on Sunday, so that could give us a slightly hazy appearance to the air. And if there are any air quality issues, that's kind of it's a different department. You will see those alerts, but chances are it's not super hot and humid, so we're probably going to be okay on that front. But if you just see a little thin covering over the sky, especially Sunday, that would likely be wildfire smoke. We dealt with that a lot last summer.
Yeah.
Getting humid through mid next week. Nothing major going on there, just getting stickier.
Just more sunlight.
Yeah.
All right, Keith, thank you.